Hey guys, do you want to sync your video and audio on CapCut? Here's how to do it using the AutoBeat method on mobile. First, open your CapCut and start a new project. Import your video and add your chosen sound. Tap on the music track in the timeline. Scroll through the toolbar at the bottom of the screen to find the option called Beats. Tap on it. Now, click Auto Generate to activate it. CapCut will scan the music and add yellow beat markers to the point where there are beats in the song. These beats are important because they are the parts of the music where it feels natural to change scenes, make cuts, or add effects. If you cut too early or too late, the video may feel off or out of sync. Now to actually sync in. Zoom into your timeline. You can then make transition cuts. Make sure to make the cuts at the point where there is a beat marker. Watch as I do this. You can see that the transition between scenes here isn't lined up with the beat. I'm going to fix that. Slide to the point where there is a marker. Click on the video clip and select Split to cut the video at that point. Then slide to the next marker where the new scene should start and split it there as well. Delete the segments in between. I'm going to continue this process for each transition point, splitting the video at the yellow dots, then deleting the segments in between. Once you're done, play it back and you'll see your video now lands perfectly on every bit. And that's it. An easy way of syncing video and audio with CapCut. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.